Hey, hello friends, hi. I'm Raj here from team 2bonds wedding film in Bangalore. आज हम एक एल्बम डिलीवरी के लिए आए हैं. We are gonna give the album. एक बीच वेडिंग का एल्बम है. Sugavanesh and Kamakshee जो कपल का नेम है. तो we are waiting to they come down. So maybe we are going to their in house. So we're gonna deliver the album. लेट मी नो वो लोग क्या फीडबैक दे रहे हैं या मतलब ये एल्बम देख के उसका फर्स्ट रिएक्शन क्या है. रमेश हाय हेलो हाउ आर यू आई एम गुड. वेलकम. एल्बम देने के लिए मैं आया.
या एब्सोल्युटली.
Hey Sugavanesh.
Hi
Kamakshee. Hello. So this is a video wedding album here.
Yeah, I've been eagerly looking forward to this.
One is for you.
Extremely excited.
Wow. Looks
It's well lit.
flush. It's really good.
It's actually really beautiful.
Wow. Look at us.
Hey, it's 3D kind of a thing.
Yeah, as the
Really good material.
So what you call this the embossed. You can
Embossed,
see your
embossed,
costume,
right,
the
right.
jewels, your.
You can see, no? It's
Oh.
like, gives a 3D feel.
3D feel. It looks as real as possible. Nice.
This is mine.
Yes, it's yours.
Photos look like they have come to life.
Life.
See?
It has captured all the tones properly and it's very premium.
So celebrities through photos.
Through photos.
We don't look at ourselves like this.
A special couple page and all.
We feel like some celebrities on a magazine.
This does me. Oh, this shot.
Like
I have already shortlisted which all I'm going to frame and put on our wall.
on our wall,
I
so
want to
many.
keep looking at it every day.
Just like you were saying, like we don't know which we should put on the wall. Like so many options, and yeah.
Oh, Baba. The pink and blue hues also, no? And
This come out really well.
And this is like we were real. It's not like that we are posing or
Planned,
something.
yeah,
this
this
is in
just-
between a dance shot.
As candid as possible. Yeah. Look at these two shots.
And this all we were doing when it actually rained really badly,
Rained
and we were
and
not even hoping.
like
that
rain, sun.
Everything.
First day only I got tanned because of the sun.
Look at you.
Another one thinks that Mangalore is my hometown.
Yeah.
Have you been to that place earlier for
Summer
photography?
Sands Resort.
Oh,
Nice.
nice. Oh, Baba.
All these candid moments.
I actually wanted these kind of shots for my Sangeet.
Sangeet.
And they came out that way.
Completely.
Crazy about that we want our
Beach
yeah,
wedding.
beach. And
Finally,
thankfully you
saying
guys figured out.
that everything is correctly synced.
Sing.
Yeah. All our
We
relatives
totally
coming there.
relied on you guys, right? Like the Even Mafia crew and you, because we are not from Bangalore or Mangalore.
Bangalore, yeah.
Right? So they helped out, like they helped us with venue selection. Like we roamed around multiple places. They literally showed us personally, sir, these are the options. And then they reached out to Chennai, Goa. Eventually we landed on Mangalore. And luckily it also happens to be your hometown. So we lucked out everywhere.
See this photo.
Oh.
These shots, when the photographer was taken, I'm like, I'm just blabbering what shots are
Yeah.
gonna come. Because we were getting late, I'm like, oh shit, yaar, my getting ready shots are missed because we are late and like what shots
There
will
was a
come.
lot of things happening
like,
also.
You know, if you pose also, it won't come like this.
Uh-huh.
It's very live photos.
Everybody else's smile also.
Exactly.
So natural and now I feel like we should take one with us.
One.
Earlier I was thinking, what
Yeah, you did. We were like, we have the soft copy, we will manage with that. Now,
we'll print each one of these and put on our wall.
Soft copies, okay, but physically album, right?
the actual
see
feel.
something.
Yeah. This is the shot we wanted, you know, beach.
This
lovely
looks so
location.
much like a made-up shot, but the fact is that
This
this
is
is
very
real.
real, right?
The unposed, right?
Yeah.
Right. Finally, we were married. We were relaxed. Everybody had gone to eating, and we were just relaxed, fully doing shoot.
Makeup artist, they will give 3
I
hours.
know, you know.
Yeah.
Photography, they're not giving 15 minutes time. But makeup is for a 5-hour next event. Photography is a lifetime.
Lifetime thing, 100%. We were very clear, you know, like
I even told my parents when my father was like, why are we going to Mangalore for the wedding? I'm like, that my whole thing is happening just for the photos. I'm doing all of
Exactly.
this for the photos.
100. This is going to stay
I'm
with us
going to Mangalore for the
forever.
beach wedding for the photo.
Yeah.
I want these beautiful lifetime memories.
Real credit goes to all your team. Like the camera people were like side. Please let me take, and
they
they
also
were
do all
trying
the
to cover
efforts,
from all the angles. Like
They were running here and there all the time.
exactly. That showed their dedication. Like, and look at the results now.
Half of the time we didn't even know that there was a team behind us also
Yeah.
taking shots.
Yeah.
Later on, only after seeing photos, we realized, oh, there were some people there too. Oh, this is my favorite shot.
Yeah.
I've been living these very for past 2 months.
We were
I don't
even
feel our
kidding
wedding
around.
is
Like, let's
over
go
yet.
get married again.
Photography team is here.
Exactly. This.
Arre. This shot I specifically told him I'm gonna make it a big frame
Big
out of
frame
it.
out of it.
Everything's decoration, the ambience, the couple, everything's matter.
Yeah, I was getting late again. I was like half an hour, 1 hour late for the mandap, and it started raining, so everybody was.
They were always available for us. Like, that really worked out.
And the shot also I love.
Yeah. The sun, the water.
I told him after the video, I told him it feels like we are in a movie. Some movie is running, and who are these characters?
Yeah, very much.
I'm very happy you captured all this.
All the key moments, yes. Wow. Just the feel. So good.
Arre baap.
It's got really well.
This shot though is very beautiful. These I don't like. I have never seen such shots in anybody's wedding.
Candid, yeah.
And these are the ones that actually take you back to the day.
The day,
How
yeah.
people were behaving, how they were having fun.
The full feel of it. This shot was perfect. Like, this was the only shot where my mama Ata was laughing
There
and smiling.
yeah,
And
smiling.
look at this. God.
This I think is like in shot taken from a video or something, because I don't think we saw this shot in pictures. This is a crazy shot.
100%.
Makes it look so real.
Real, very real. Yeah. Perfect tone.
Dara is also here.
Yeah. Perfect tone for all the photos.
And I saw how the pictures were coming in. After that, though, we never even checked how it's coming. We were
yeah.
like, it's gonna come. Let's
Very
just let them
beautiful.
keep
Exactly.
taking pictures. In the end, it's gonna come.
Sometimes we would be thinking probably they are focusing on the backdrop, the decor, or just the line, like whether they are focusing on our expressions. But everything has been taken care of. Like,
If you're traveling abroad,
Yeah.
not feel bad if you don't have album.
wow.
So
I was hoping.
this is for you, small album.
God.
Thank you.
This is for you.
Thank you
At least we
so
can share our photos with
much.
everyone there. Thank you so much.
Man. Thank you.
And you can give to your mom and dad.
Wow.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Raj.
you so much, Raj.
This is really good. Actually, my parents wanted of course
A
they put the
frame of the
children's
couple.
wedding pictures
Exactly.
right on the walls. They have been asking me. I'm like, Mom, give me some time. I'll do when I'm ready and all of that. Now I can just give this to them.
Yep.
Okay, let's
God.
my gift for you.
This is a beautiful surprise. Thank you, Raj. Thank you. Look at this.
Wow.
ठीक है?
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so
Yeah,
much.
this is crazy.
Yeah.
Much. Thanks for this opportunity given to us.
Thank you.
And the best.
Let's hope we'll connect again in
Again.
future for some
Other event.
another function we are celebrating.
So give me some feedback about 2bonds. What you gonna felt? So
Give us some time because I'll take a lot of time to write. It's gonna be long.
I mean, right from the beginning, you have been very warm and welcoming, and it was like a brainstorming process together, right? It didn't feel like a job for you. It was very clear, like it was your passion, and from the shots, from how well your team were like always available and taking care of all the shots and all the key moments, and how the overall process, the experience itself, like the album, the online links for our friends, you didn't just treat us well, you treated
Our
all the
families.
guests, entire family well. So yeah, everything has come out really well, and to top it
Exceptional.
all off, just give us
We
more
have albums for
treats
us
and
also now.
albums. Like, man, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू सो मच बाय। वेडिंग का जो वीडियो लिंक है और उसका फोटोग्राफी का जो लिंक है, हम ये यूट्यूब वीडियो का नीचे लिंक में हम आपको प्रोवाइड करेंगे। जो भी कमेंट है आपको या कुछ सवाल पूछना है आप हमसे पूछ सकते हैं, हम आपको कोशिश करेंगे कि हम आपको रिप्लाई करें। और रिलेटेडली फ़ोटोग्राफी का किस तरह का आपको चैलेंजेस फेस करता है आप एक कमेंट में पूछ सकते हैं। हम आपको कोशिश करेंगे उसका भी एक वीडियो बना के हम आपको प्रेजेंट करें। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय।